Flowers always look beautiful at the florist, but how do you make them last once they're home? Peter Grantis of Flowers of the World is here to give us a lesson in flower design and how to keep them looking beautiful longer, because we always want them to be beautiful for a very long time.
Yes.
Okay, so it's spring. What are the best flowers for springtime?
Best flowers right now we're presenting. We have beautiful tulips, amazing ranunculus.
See, I never knew what these were called.
That's
They're
a beautiful
so
flower.
beautiful.
Isn't that gorgeous?
I thought they were small peonies, actually.
No, really beautiful. And we do have peonies as well. It's funny you just mentioned that. Beautiful colors and beautiful varieties.
Are my favorite flower in the world. And these are red. I've never seen red peonies before.
Very unusual. Red charm peony comes from Holland, and not something you typically see all the time.
So do you get all your flowers from Holland?
Almost all our flowers come from Holland, yes.
Well, how long does it take to get the flowers from Holland to New York City?
From the time we order them till the time they come to New York, it's typically 2 days.
So, okay, so 2 days in the running,
yeah.
and they come in these paper like this. So if you get
Right.
flowers at the market like this, you take them home and you need to process them.
Correct. So typically this is the market bunch. You look for tight buds, very clean, no blemishes. You see the nice and firm. That's what you look for.
And you want the leaves to be green.
Leaves are green, no blemishes, and again, not
Gotcha.
brown and wilted. So they're all nice and crisp and fresh.
Okay.
And when you get them home, what you want to do is you want to cut them. Put them in fresh water. Typically, you cut them on an angle with a knife.
So you don't have to, like, cut X's into the bottom. I've seen that done before.
Do not, and it's not necessary. And it's not going to help the flower last any longer at all.
Just at the edge so you have a little more surface area for water to go through.
Correct,
Okay.
correct. Fresh water, obviously, the key. And with bulb flowers, you only need a couple inches of flowers. You don't need a lot of water.
Water?
Right.
See, now I thought that you're supposed to put warm water in flowers. Somebody told me that, but that's not correct.
Typically, with a bulb flower, you would not do that. If you're going to use something like a hard woody stem like a rose, that would help the water go to the top right away. Exactly.
Okay, so you've taken all the leaves off, you put them in here with just a few inches of water
Correct.
here, and then they're ready to go into an arrangement.
Ready to go in arrangement. So these are all processed here. The hyacinth are beautiful, the tulips, and again, the peonies. And this is typically what we would do at Flowers of the World. We take those flowers and we would arrange them all together in one container.
So why do you want to use the same flower into one arrangement?
We want to use one flower because it's more impactful. It's not confusing. It's easy on the eye. Definitely has a beautiful feeling and a beautiful tone. When you look at that, it's just amazing.
It looks classy, and I think that it's harder for the amateur to put together flowers. It looks like it looks very unprofessional.
Yeah, it's actually easier to do it this way, and that's a better result. And it's more beautiful to look at, no question about it.
Okay. I love this. And so, is this a banana leaf?
It's actually a bird's nest leaf, and it is available, and we just roll them, and you manipulate them, and get them into the arrangement the way you like to have it in there.
And now, this is something that you can do at home, too, that not everybody knows to do, but it always looks like a professional arrangement, is if you wrap the leaf inside the base of the vase.
So it's a leaf wrap in the vase, and typically what that does is it hides the construction. You don't see all the stems. It's not messy. It's very clean. It's beautiful to look at, and the colors work great with the flowers as well.
Okay, so how long should that arrangement last?
This could last 10 to 14 days without question. Change the water every other day. Fresh, cool water. You'll enjoy that at least for 2 weeks.
So you don't have to cut the stems again?
Typically, maybe once or twice throughout that 2-week period, but not every single time you change the water.
What a way to make a beautiful table. Peter, thank you very much.
Thank you, and thanks for having me.